universal language. It is a non-verbal communication. That's why it is universally acclaimed by the audience. I am Srikanta Bose. Uh, I started mime in the year of 1998 under the guidance of my Guruji Sri Jogesh Datto, the pioneer of Indian mime. It is a small story. When I was in school, I used to participate in the school sports, and when I was in class 8, there was a annual sports in my school. But on that time, uh, by an accident, my right uh, socket joint was cracked, and I could not participate in the sports on that day. I was totally in my house. My mother strictly told me not to participate in the sports, and she locked the door, and I was inside. And on that time, in the Kolkata Doordarshan television, national television, Kolkata Doordarshan, one mime performance was telecasted of Mr. Jogesh Datto, and I saw that. And in the evening, in the sports ground, there was the Go As You Like competition, and I requested my mom to participate in the Go As You Like competition. I took makeup of mime, and I participated there and achieved the first position. And that was my first inspiration that I do not know the art form, but I achieved the first position. When I got a chance to perform in the UNESCO Cultural Festival held in Paris, because UNESCO headquartered in Paris, and I performed there, UNESCO Cultural Festival in Paris. Then immediately I met with Mr. Marcel Marceau in, not only in Paris. On that time he was staying in his farmhouse, uh, quite far away from Paris. That is uh, Versailles, maybe Versailles, uh, and I met with him, and it's a very how can I say by what, uh, but just the god of mine in front of me. He was sitting, and he received me very nicely, very nicely. He asked me about my Guruji and Indian mime, everything, and a long time, whole day I spent with him. I took lunch with him. Ah, and after that, in the year of 2005, and in 2007 he expired. I heard the news, and the next day, when he expired, the next day I went to Greece to perform my. Mime is based on the illusion, and you have to establish the illusion with your gesture, with your expression. But if you don't if you don't engage with the object, if you can't, if I don't see the object, the audience how can see? First I have to see there is a glass, there is a glass, and that is the glass is full of water, and I am drinking the water. Just example. If I don't see the glass, audience will not say. But I have to realize the object, then audience will see.